Good morning, student. This is lecture number 1 of chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 exponent. Today we will discuss exponent with some laws and question on exponents. So basic, the exponent is simply power to a base. We have to consider it as a term with two digits, two variables or two constants. Two constants like a to the power b, 3 to the power 5, x to the power 5, 5 to the power x. Here this is the base a and b. B is exponent. Okay, exponent is also known as power to a base term. Here it is base and exponent, base exponent. Here x is base, 5 exponent. Here 5 is base and x is exponent or power. So these terms are written in the form of like this. A to the power b are known as a term with base and exponent. Generally follow the some laws. So we are going to discuss laws of exponents. First law. The very first law, most basic law is if we have same base with two different power, like a to the power n into b to the power m. A to the power m means we have same base and different exponent m and n. So it is written as a to the power m plus n. For example, we have 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4. Then we can write it as 5 to the power 6 plus 4 means 5 to the power 10. Same base with different exponent or power is written as with same base and power are added. Means if we have same base, then we add power directly. Okay, for same base we add power directly. So this is written as 5 to the power 10. Next, one more example. We have 3 to the power 4 multiply with 1 upon 3 to the power 4. Here we can directly cancel with this term, or first way is this and second one is 3 to the power 4 into 1 upon 3 to the power 4. 1 upon 3 to the power 4 is written as 3 to the power minus 4. Okay, 3 to the power 4, 1 upon 3 to the power 4 is written as 3 to the power minus 4. So 3 to the power 4 minus 4 equal to 3 to the power 0 and written as 1. So it means if we have an exponent with base, we have exponent as 0 and we have some base like a to the power 0, x to the power 0 or any constant like 1 to the power 0, 100 to the power 0 and any number, then it is written as 1. It means if we have any base with power 0 or exponent 0, then it is written as 1. This is second. Then third law is if we have base a to the power m and we have to multiply it with n, then we can directly write it as m into n, means mn. For example, we have 2 to the power 3 multiply with 4. Okay, 2 to the power 3 multiply with 4. So it is written as 2 to the power 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. So it is written as 2 to the power 12. Fourth law. ab to the power m is written as a to the power m into b to the power m. Okay, a to the power m into b to the power m. We can write it as, if we have 50 into 4 to the power 2, then 50 into 4 then power 2, we can write it as 50 square into 4 square. Okay, 50 square 2500, 4 square 16. Now it is to calculate the value of 16 into 2500. Next very important law, a to the power b, sorry, a upon b to the power n. It is written as a to the power n upon b to the power n. Like if we have 15 upon 4 to the power 2, then it is written as 15 square upon 4 square. Okay, so 15 square is 225 and 4 square is 16. This is example. Then sixth law, which is somehow similar to the first law. In your book, this is law number 5th. Like, sorry, a to the power m upon a to the power n. For this, we can write this as a to the power m upon a to the power n is a to the power m into a to the power minus n. Okay, now we have same base. So for same base, we can add both of the power. A to the power m plus, here power is minus n. Okay, m plus minus n. So our answer become a plus m minus n. Okay, here we have same base. So that's why it is similar to the case first. I hope you understand this. For example, we have 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 3. We can write it as 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 3. Simplify this, 2 to the power 5 minus 3. 2 square means we have 4 as a result. Okay. Okay, now we will discuss exercise question number first. First part, 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 is also written as 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Okay, 1 upon 2 to the power 3. 2 to 2. Now 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2. So this is 1 upon 8. Question number second part, 6 to the power 0. Power to any base, 0 power to any base, that is 1. Next, move to third part. Minus 3 to the power minus 2. Here we have bracket, here we have no bracket. Okay, bracket means it is written as 1 upon minus 3 square. So minus 3 square means 1 upon minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3, 2 times minus 3. It means 2 times minus 3. So 1 upon minus 3 into minus 3. Minus cancel with minus, 3 3 is 9. Fourth part, 8 to the power 5 into 8 to the power minus 5. So we have to direct add because same base. So power are added. 5 minus 5 0. So 8 to the power 0, that is 1. Next, 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2. So 2 to the power minus 2 is written as 2 to the power 2. Like this, we have 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2. So it is written as 2 to the power 2. Okay, minus minus 2. Like this, minus minus 2. Because whenever we can write it as in the form of numerator only, then we have to multiply it with a minus. Minus minus 2, 2 to the power 2, that is 4. So 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2 is 4. Next, question number 6 part, sorry, 1/6 part, 3 into 8 minus 1 to the power 0. Okay, move to 9th part. In 7th part, we have 1 upon, similarly, this type of question in 9th part. 1 upon 2 to the power minus 1, so 2 plus 3, 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 9th part, a to the power 3 divided by a to the power minus 2. So we have a to the power 3 divided by a to the power minus 2. So it is written as a to the power 3 into a to the power 2. Okay. So a to the power 2. Now we have same base. So power are added. So a to the power 3 plus 2. It is written as a to the power 5. 10th part, we have y to the power minus 6 upon y to the power 4. So y to the power 4 is written as y to the power minus 4. Then we have added. So y to the power minus 6 minus 4. Y to the power minus 10, our answer. Next one is x to the power minus 2 to the power 0. So it is written as 1. Next, part 12. 6 to the power 0, 1. 6 to the power minus 1. 12th part. 6 to the power 0, 6 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1. 6 to the power 0, 1 plus it is 1 upon 6. Okay, 1 upon 6, then 1 upon 3. LCM is 6. So 6 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 2. Because 3 into 2, here 1 into 6. Okay, 6 plus 1 plus 2, 9. 9 upon 6, it is written as 3 upon 2. So answer is 3 upon 2. Next, 1 upon a to the power 0 plus b to the power a to the power 0. So 1 plus 1, 1 upon 2. Answer. 15 part. 14 part is your homework. 15 part. 5 upon 7 to the power minus 6 to the power 0. If you have power as 0, then our answer is 1. Okay, thank you. Rest of the question in question number 1 are your homework. Okay.